Hi, welcome to Learn Languages with Elba Brandis. I couldn't finish my lesson because I was on vacation, so we continue it now on the plane. Let's start. Comencemos. Imagine that you are at the plane. The first things you're going to take is the carry-on, el equipaje a mano. And then you're going to look for the seat number, and that will be en el pasillo. That means that you are going to be sitting on the near the like they call the aisle, or if they say in the window, that means en la ventana. When you sit down, you are going to put your seatbelt. Te vas a poner el cinturón de seguridad. And then you just sit down and relax and wait for the food and drink to be served. Sometimes they give you little snacks. So